How to fix Twitch error 1000 when playing a video. So first you want to right click on the start button and then open Windows PowerShell or CMD or terminal as admin. And then you want to type the following commands: ipconfig /flush DNS, and then you want to press enter. And then you want to type net sh winsock reset. Then you want to press enter. Now you want to close the command line and right click again on the start button and go to settings. And then network and internet. And from here you want to click on the change adapter options and right click on your current adapter that you're using mainly. So for me it's this one right here. Click on properties and then double click on Internet Protocol v4, which is this one. And then under obtain DNS server, you want to set it to use the following DNS server, and then use 8.8.8.8 for the preferred DNS. For the alternate, 8.8.4.4. Then you want to press OK and OK. Now you want to disable this and re-enable it again. And once it's enabled, you want to go back to Twitch and refresh the page that you're trying to watch. And that should fix the problem. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.